Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about what are different sources of data. One is traditional sources of data and one is modern source of data. So what comes under traditional sources of data? So traditional sources of the data are reports, government reports, census reports, household survey, user survey and other things. But what are the modern sources of the data? The modern sources of the data are Google Map API, web scraping, open street maps, and there are different other sources where you can easily capture the data from, like the satellite imagery. You can analyze the satellite imagery and get a lot of data that you can use for research. So it is the time when you have to shift from the traditional sources of data to the modern source of data, because due to advances in our research techniques and tools, like earlier we were doing analysis using Excel, but now you can do advanced analysis in SPSS, Stata and RStudio. RStudio is one of the famous and most expandable resources which you can utilize for any type of research and analysis of big data. It can do a lot of multiple models. Most of the models that you discuss in the SPSS or Stata, it can be run in the RStudio interface. This is very easy process. Earlier there was a problem of writing the code, but nowadays you can easily write the code using different AI tools like ChatGPT and other tools, where you can easily give the prompt to the portal and they will give you the code to write, and you have to just fine tune the code and put your data inside it, and then you can feed it to the RStudio or software, and then it will interpret the data and they form a awesome type of graphs and tables. So earlier, forget about the old traditional style of the just graph and pie chart, bar graph and other type of graphs which we used to generate in the Excel. But nowadays advanced, like a spider chartgram, a Sankey diagram and many other advanced level of the diagram you can easily create using the RStudio. So hope this lecture will help you in getting access to the modern sources of the data and advanced tools and technique for data analysis that is available free of cost in open access software like RStudio. Thank you.